This is a review of the dual home LED Wi-Fi smart light bulb system that I'll be doing a review about, and we're going to unbox this, show you guys what you get from this package. But I do want to say that it offers voice control, music sync, and it does pretty much a lot of stuff. You download a app on your phone. You can also control these lights as well too. It does RGB. Pretty much it has a million effects and pretty much a lot of effects. So yeah, we're going to unbox and show you guys what you get and whether or not this product is worth it. So these are the two smart light bulbs, and this is what we get. On the back of this, we do have a QR code, so I'm pretty sure that all we have to do is to scan it up, and from there, we should be able to download that app and then control these lights. And then from there, what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be going to a room or somewhere where I'm going to install this to test and see how bright these are and the different options of color fix that it offers. And from there, we're going to see whether or not this product is worth it and test this product out and see how well it performs. So I have it plugged up on the ceiling fan, and you can see I have it on the left side and the right side. So it comes with two bulbs, and this is the effect that is white and just in a clear white color, and it is extremely bright. And it is it's RGB. It does different color effects. It's voice command as well too. So if I want to, I could change it to blue, red, green, yellow, which I'll show you guys in a minute. So it is RGB. So this right here is the color. It's like a light blue. So we have a blue color. Then we could pretty much change it to RGB. So red, green, blue, yellow, all different types of effect, even pink and purple. And I overall would highly recommend this. It does voice control as well too. And it does a lot of different effects, like I mentioned, RGB. And it lights up your room as well too. So if you just want to have your format default white, you can have that as well too. But I would highly recommend the Cozy Lights light bulbs because of how it's universal. It's a plug and play installation. It's easy to install. No need to do any wiring or anything like that. It's plug and play. And these light bulbs, they are much brighter than pretty much like the one that is in the middle. But right now I have it on blue, which is when you change the colors, it goes a little bit dimmer. But when you have it on white, then it matches with the one in the middle. But anyway, I would highly recommend these Smart Light RGB bulbs because of how it's very fun. It does music effect as well too. So you can have music modes too. So it does pretty much music to the beat mode. But yeah, I would definitely and highly recommend these Smart Light RGB bulbs.